Hi, so today is a great day to get started with generative AI, specifically because Google just released version 2 of their Flash, Flashlight, and Pro models. I've been using Gemini for over a year, mainly because it was really darn easy. And to be honest, I was incredibly intimidated by generative AI in general. I thought I wasn't smart enough, I thought I wasn't a good enough programmer, etc. And what I found out is that it's actually pretty darn easy to get started. Building real world applications, getting really good at prompting, that definitely takes time. But the code aspect is actually really darn easy. So with the new release today, they've also released updated Python SDK. So it's really a great time for you to try it out. And you could definitely do this in less than 5 minutes. So what I recommend is going to AI Studio. That is a Google tool that lets you visually test out prompting. And in there, in the API keys, you can literally click Create an API key. I'm going to pick an existing Google Cloud project. I'm going to create the key, and I am going to copy that. Now, don't worry, I'm going to erase this key as soon as we're done with this video. So now let's look at the code. Now I have a folder up here with a Python virtual environment. I do need to install the SDK. This will go pretty quick because I've already installed it. And there we go. And now I want to do a quick and simple test. So in the documentation, they actually have an example right here. And I'm going to take that and I'm going to copy and paste that into my editor. Now the only thing missing here is the key. So I'm going to go right back to AI Studio and copy that one more time and just drop it right into my code. Now normally you want to set this as an environment variable, but we will just use it right there, save it, and then run it. Python test.py. It's sending that prompt and I'm waiting for the response. It's just going to dump it right to screen. And let's see. And there we go. And so to be clear, I installed the SDK. I got a key from AI Studio. I copied the sample source code, and I'm doing Gen AI. And right now we're at less than 3 minutes. So again, things definitely get more complex the deeper you look, the more you start working with other features and so forth. But you can get started right now very easily. Give it a try.